Welcome you all students. Trends in international business. In this session, for BCom 6th semester students, we'll study about trends in international business for Mysore University students. Okay. Session number 13, differences between domestic business and international business. In this session, we'll come to differentiate between the domestic business and international business. We are going to study in this. Before going to study the differences between domestic business and international business, let us recap what we have studied in our last session, that is international businesses, trends of international businesses and dysfunctional modes. In this session, the objective of learning is to understand the differences between domestic business and international. After studying this session, we can come to conclusion to understand the differences between domestic business and international business. Let us start differences between domestic business and international business. In domestic business, there is an ethnocentric approach. Domestic business approach is very ethnocentric. It does not mean that domestic companies formulate strategies, product design, etc. towards the national markets, customers and competitors. In international business, there is a polycentric approach, or it is called as an regiocentric or geocentric approach. International business under polycentric approach enters foreign markets by establishing foreign subsidiaries. Okay. Second one, domestic business, there is a more scope of geographically very scope. The geographic boundary is within the national boundary. Domestic businesses geographic scope is within the national boundaries of the domestic country, whereas in international business, geographic scope of international business varies from the national boundaries of the minimum of 2 countries up to the maximum of entire globe. Third one, in domestic business, operating style, domestic businesses operating style include production, marketing, investment, research and development, etc. is limited to the domestic country, whereas in international business, operating style of the international business can be spread to the entire globe. Fourth, in domestic business, mostly analyzes and scans the domestic environment. In international business, analyzes and scans the relevant international environment. In domestic business, quotas imposed by the various countries on their imports and exports not directly and significantly influence the domestic business, whereas in international business has to operate within the quotas imposed by various countries on their exports and imports. Sixth, in domestic business, tariffs rates of various countries do not directly and significantly influence the domestic business, whereas in international business, tariff rates of various countries directly and significantly influence the international business. In domestic business, foreign exchange rates and their fluctuations do not directly and significantly affect the domestic business. In international business, foreign exchange rates and their fluctuations directly and significantly affect the international business. Eighth one, in domestic business, domestic culture of the country affects the business operations, including product design, whereas in international business, culture of various countries affects the business operations, including product design of the international business. Ninth one, these are the differences between international business and domestic business. Thank you.